guys, look what came in the mail today, my tripod. I'm so excited. Oh god. So yeah, let's open it. So I'm unboxing my tripod while using a tripod. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. This is impossible right now. There you go. Cool. Okay, let's actually open this thing. Of course, it's in the bag. Guys, I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, so here are both my tripods. I think this one looks much nicer than that one because this one's a bit bulky. But this one's quite cool, I like this one. The only thing that's different is there's that there and that's not there. But you can still move it like that. But yeah, I think, is it taller? Yeah, it's a little bit taller. Well, I don't know about that one, but that can go away now. But yeah, I definitely like this one. 100%, yeah, cool. Awesome. So I got my dentist today. I hate the dentist so much, literally. Ugh, I need to fill in. Ugh. Anyway, let's go. So I just went to the dentist and my whole mouth is numb. I hate this so much. It hurts. I got, remember not to bite any part of my mouth.
Watch your tongue.
Watch my tongue?
Watch your bite your tongue because you won't feel
yeah. I can't feel my tongue, guys. Guys, that's a bomb. Oh, how did I know you're going to go straight to the alcohol section of the shop? And you say I'm obsessed with drinking. Oh, I really want to go to Subway. Is it packed in there? Huh, it's not packed actually. No. I think this would be a very good place to practice driving, wouldn't it? Oh, it must be Dog's Trust. Guys, look at the dog. Yes, I made my father come all the way over here to go look at the dog. Look how big it is. Oh, it's massive, isn't it? Jeez. It must be going to... Wait, why is it doing a circle round? That's weird. Oh my god.
He's probably just driving around again, trying to drum up business, see? Because there's a pet at home there, like.
Yeah, like a couple of years, last year.